Tabletop sandboxes have long been important military mission planning and training tools. Now, advanced technology is available to upgrade the CBRND mission planning experience. Satellite imagery, 3D modeling and animation, teleconferencing, and augmented reality are all combined in Checkpoint, the augmented reality tabletop mission planner designed for the Microsoft HoloLens 2. Checkpoint employs satellite imagery quality terrain, including military coordinates and rendered elevations. The application features highly detailed 3D models of vehicles and equipment specifically selected for CBRND reconnaissance missions. Checkpoint is easy to use. Symbols are selected and dragged onto the terrain and can be freely repositioned. The objects and icons can also be resized or deleted. The table itself can be resized, rotated, and locked into place. Checkpoint supports a network multi-user mode which allows users to collaborate in real time. Users communicate via VoIP and interact with the shared virtual terrain and its elements, regardless of their proximity to each other in the real world. MRIGlobal and ForgeFX Simulations have partnered to improve upon an essential strategic tool. Checkpoint